Welcome back to BNCRC. Another big unboxing. Not in a shipping box, I just picked it up at the local hobby shop. I got a Losi Baja Mint 400 edition Ford Raptor. I thought they were only making 500 of these or some kind of limited edition thing. Officially licensed, blah blah blah. My local shop, Small Addictions, had 2 of them in when they first dropped them. And I saw them, I thought it looked pretty cool, but man, I'm not spending 500 bucks on a rig. So a week or 2 went by, and it kept eating away at me. So I guess I am going to spend 500 bucks on a rig. So I told Jimbo that works there, my good buddy, that I thought I had to have it. And he said, well, you're too late. We had 2 of them and we sold them both. So I was shit out of luck. And then my luck turned because they just got in some more of them. He says they got this one and 5 more on top of this one. Which I'm starting to wonder just how limited edition they are. That I'm very curious of what makes this truck worth 500 bucks. It looks fucking awesome. Oh baby. Oh baby. The Baja Ray. Not too familiar with it. Solid rear axle, independent front. Sexy body on there. Oh buddy. A lot of details in there with the cage and the cockpit. Hard plastic grill. The spare. There must be a lot of shit hidden underneath there. Come on, baby, let's see what's in there. I gotta hurry along because Dick's on his way over to break his shit some more. Oh my god. Cardboard. You hear shit falling all over the place. Okay, I see one thing I don't fucking like for a $500 rig. Ready to run with no battery, unless it's in the truck. Yeah, funny idea what ready to run means. Well, $500 truck, and this is what they give me for a fucking radio. Really? Can't even stand that up. Wow, that's cool. It is little. Reminds me of the piece of shit that came with the amp kit. Not impressed by that at all. I guess they assumed they could sell you a Spectrum smart radio to go with the thing. They're pushing their smart technology. I don't know how smart it is, but I don't need my toys to fucking track me. My phone does enough of that. Hip in the old days, you plug the battery in and you drove your fucking truck. Now they keep making them do more and more stuff for you. Are we really that fucking lazy that we need them things? Alright, come loose. Doing this a little out of order in case Dick shows up right in the middle of the business here. Wow, that is a great looking truck. I can almost forgive that stupid fucking radio. Oh, hurry, hurry, hurry. Wonder how the body comes off that thing. Ah. Book is labeled Mint 400. It really is special edition. What is all this bullshit here? Okay, I have no idea what that square thing is. We got some washers and another pinion gear. It is 3S capable. That little radio takes AAA batteries instead of AA batteries. That'll fuck up my flow. These fucking 30-page manuals of how to run an RC truck. If I spent 500 bucks on it, you think I probably have the basics down. I know how to run the fucking thing. Some pretty basic exploded views in the back. At least it's broken down over a few pages and not all on one jumbled image. That's good enough, I guess. What is this little box? Okay, we got a USB, and this must be my charger? Charges with USB. That's interesting. Smart. My AAA's, my gay radio. The fuck? Really? Might have to read some instructions here. I have no idea how you get to the battery in that bastard. It looks like there's one in there somewhere. After talking all that shit about the instructions, I might need to read them. Don't tell me I gotta plug the truck in. Huh. What in the fuck? Ah, here we go. Here we go. Here's the screwing mechanism that holds the battery in. Don't know how it works. Oh, there we go. Holy Christ. Little door in the back end. The battery slides in. Looks like a full-size LiPo battery. Holy shit, how'd they get that up in there? 5,000 milliamp hour. 2S LiPo. That's impressive. That's pretty awesome for a ready-to-run battery. Kind of a screwy door. I don't know how good that's going to work when it gets packed full of mud. Okay, let's get down to the gritty here. Tires are super soft. They don't have a real aggressive tread pattern. The suspension feels nice and soft. I'd love to show it to you with the body off, but I'm not taking all them screws out. It'd be a little too soft. The shocks are plastic with aluminum collars, threaded bodies. Hard plastic links that aren't adjustable. There is a sway bar on the front. No sway bar on the rear. Kind of looks like a growed up, cooler version of the Baja Racing Karoo. Here's a good look at all the detailed interior and stuff. Chassis itself is aluminum. And it has that access panel for something, I'm not sure what. I'll look into it a little bit more for the follow-up video and find out. The plastic for the cage seems awful rubbery. Pretty minimal bumper there. Good looking truck. That's it. The Mint 400. Cool looking rig. It deserves a little bit longer unboxing than this, but I got shit to do. Bye bye.